Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. Sudio just announced something new in their product collection, and today I will try the first Bluetooth speaker made by Sudio. The model on the test is named FEMTIO, which is kinda strange name, but we got used to this when we talk about Sudio products. Before we start with the unboxing, I just want to remind you about my 15% discount code if you decide to buy something on Sudio website. Check the links in the description and use it while ordering. The box looks simple, there are some key features and information written on it, but nothing really special. Let's open it to see what Sudio prepared for us this time. Right from the opening there is a speaker, but we will leave it until we see the rest of the accessories. Actually, there is no too many things inside, just the papers related to this speaker and USB Type-C cable we will need to charge FEMTIO. There is nothing more you could expect to be inside the box. Everything you need for a speaker like this is here. Sudio always prefers simplicity, but they make everything to feel premium, which is a great thing. The unboxing experience is really nice and everything feels quality and well organized. Let's get back to the speaker, actually two of them, and it is great Sudio decided to send us two different colors. For this video we have a black and grey version, but there is also a gold version available on their website. The design of Sudio FEMTIO looks nice, simple and premium. I can't really decide which color is looking better to me, let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. The materials used for FEMTIO are great, starting from this mesh, which feels soft and premium in the hands. These circles on both ends of the speaker are giving really nice accent to the design, and also I need to mention the buttons, which are feeling so nice to press. The base is made from plastic, but it is rubberized and it doesn't feel cheap. I think they didn't use any metal or other materials because of the weight saving and making this speaker very portable if we take a look at the dimensions and weight. I think it is also better for water protection, which makes sense because FEMTIO is IPX6 rated, which means it is waterproof, and that is a great thing to have. There is a thing I didn't like about the base, and it is about opening it if you need to charge the speaker. There is no chance to open it with the finger. I tried really hard but unsuccessfully. I understand it was because of better water protection, but I need to search for some tiny parts or gadget just to open it every time I need to charge it. The good thing about this is the great battery life of this speaker. It will give you around 14 hours of playtime when you fully charge it. To charge the speaker, just open the base, insert the Type-C cable and connect it via USB. Next to the charging port you can see 3.5mm jack, so you can connect to this speaker via cable instead of Bluetooth if you want to. After charging, I should connect FEMTIO with my device to try it. The connection process is very simple, just hold the power button until you hear the sound from the speaker, then just find it in your Bluetooth list and connect to it. The Bluetooth 5.0 version installed in this speaker makes connectivity this easy and very stable, even up to 10 meters. The LED indicators will also give you signs when connecting and will also show you battery and charging status and some other things. Maybe the best thing about FEMTIO is dual pairing mode, which allows you connecting two FEMTIO speakers and playing music on both at the same time. To do this, just press the last button 2 times on both speakers until you see the green light and they will pair automatically. Then just find the connection in the Bluetooth menu and connect. That's it, this system is a great thing and it works incredibly. There is no any problem with connection or synchronization, they really work well together. I need to mention the controls on the top of the speaker, which allows you to control your music via speaker instead of using your device all the time. There is also a microphone built in this speaker, so you can even make and answer calls with FEMTIO. FEMTIO is another great product from Sudio, which I can recommend without any doubt. You can use this speaker for every situation you can imagine. It is very portable but very loud and quality sounds are coming from it. It is enough for this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it and ask me something if you want to. To prove the quality and premium build of this product, Sudio offers 1-year warranty if you buy it, which is always welcome. Thanks for watching my video, don't forget to check the links in the description and to use my discount code while ordering.